Trust our skilled technicians at Feldmann Imports to improve the look of your vehicle with Paintless Dent Removal. Paintless Dent Removal, or better known as PDR, is a collection of techniques used to remove minor dents and dings from the body of your car. The most common method of paintless dent repair utilizes metal rods and body picks to push the dents from the underside of the body panel. Additionally, glue and a specially designed tab may be used from the outside of the panel to pull the dent out. In either case, fine-tuning of the repair sometimes involves tapping down the repair to help make the surface flat. PDR is more of an art form than a specific set of skills and actually takes years to learn. An untrained individual can actually damage a dent further without the correct knowledge and talent. Be assured that Feldmann Imports technicians are the finest in the business, and your vehicle is in excellent hands. Contact your service advisor today for more information on paintless dent removal, or schedule an appointment by calling 952-567-2180.